Myntri Rangbah ke Jelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong basyan ha kejinglet ke jong sharilom garo. Iakynduh ikinong elam jangka kenhuan ACHIK Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima ne ke ACHIK. Kiba penlong ya kejing syatngan bandawa ban penlong ya kanong ba atura kum ke winter capital. Bat bandawa pentreka me ke roster system naduk gisnam kiba menchua. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bau Deputy Commissioner ula pentip ula dep benekren bat kinong elam jangka ACHIK. Bat kila penpau berkikuak Iakynduh yo Myntri Rangbah habaun wan sharilom garo. Bat kumta ken sapensange no ekejing ki jongki. Halor ke jingdawa ke ACHIK ban pentrekam naduk gisnam ki bamenchwai ke roster system. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba kesorkar kelakaran syai bat shimru ikarai ban penkela thamai ke office memorandum. Bat kendai tang hadian berkeladap bani selok bat baru ke badan penta bat wat ke kenhun ACHIK ru keladon lang ha kejingelang. Uloong baha kejingelang ka kenhun ACHIK kala penpau kejing sngokya balad ban pensyai kini kejing sngokya. Bat hadian kejingelang la shimlang ya kejing sngow nagi babun kibriu. Bat kesorkar kala ya cekapat bat ke office memorandum. Kumta ban pai biang bat ban kemi biang sasisien kalong ke bae baha. Halor ke jingdawa ya ke winter capital Myntri Rangbah uloong bagi benta bat kimat jong ki kampenroy kalong ke bakong santam ya kesorkar MDA. Kamtam ban kenti kena bagi kam penroy on le akta karukom ka babarok kithan bagi jaka kin yok bentalang. Uloong ba unsasyong banekren bat ka kenhun ACHIK ban pensngu tho yaki ya kejing mentoy lang ba kejing don jangi mini secretariat. Haga ba NCE ki kam penroy habarok kiliang ha kejing sa mi ki skim. Ba kejing don ki borsen syar ki baklan ha ki sni banwan bat ki snam banwan. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uliya thu ru ba kejing te ya ka ying ulat hatura kala jandep artat. Bat la kemi lenti ba hapok kene kesnam kene ke ying sa ulat kan sedang menteri kamno.
That regarding the roster system, we have taken a decision after deep consultation with all stakeholders, and hence, and that decision was communicated to everybody, including the ACHIK group also, and they were present in the meeting. They raised concerns, of course, but we clarified those concerns in those meetings, and only after that meeting that we, after taking a consensus for most people, did we go ahead with the OM, and hence for us to go back and now look into it will be very difficult. Number two, regarding the winter capital, which they're mentioning, the aspect and the issue of development has always been important to us as an MDA government. And we've also ensured that development is done on a very, very kind of a broad manner, where all regions and areas are kept in mind while we work towards development issues. So if you look at Tura, now we are just starting the mini secretariat out there. Now, mini secretariat is a very big step, and most of the organizations understand the impact of that. And I'm sure that when I sit with the ACHIK group also, that we will be able to explain to them the impact of a mini secretariat. So the mini secretariat will come up there. There will be large, as I said, investment as well as large administrative reforms taking place out there. And hence we will see overall improvement in the delivery of our schemes and the presence of the administration in a much stronger manner in the coming days and coming years. We have also done very hard work to ensure that the Governor House in Tura is actually complete. So we are almost on the verge of completion. We expect that within a few months or maximum within this calendar year, which is before December, I'm very sure that we should be able to make that functional also. And apart from that, as I said, many other departments and all we are strengthening to ensure that overall improvement in administration takes place. So everything is a process, and the process is on. The ultimate goal is always to ensure that development reaches to the people and overall administration gets closer to the people. And whatever ways and means we can find out to do that, the government is exploring and implementing. See, the demand actually is to get an administration that's closer. And this is a step towards it. Of course, there is a lot more to be done, and there are a lot of aspects of there, but everything cannot be done in one go. But what is important to note is that very strong efforts are being made by the government to do that. So one has to understand those limitations, one has to understand the concerns and challenges we face, but at the same time see the kind of initiative and the work that is being done to show our sincerity and commitment towards every section of society and every region of the state. So that is the important part. I always tell people that ultimately, whatever demands are there, they are all for overall economic development. So the end goal at the end of the day is to have overall economic development in the state and in the region, and hence people look at different ways and mechanisms of trying to get that particular development through certain steps. So if the development can reach, then it addresses the real concern of the people, which is, as I said, economic backwardness. And hence, as I said, we are taking steps at multiple levels to address those concerns.